Okay, boys and girls, welcome to Thursday's homework. Okay, we are sticking with the same story for the week. The Kid from Brighton Beach. So let's go ahead and get started. So the Kid from Brighton Beach. Remember, today's activity is to reread and answer questions 4 through 5. So 4 and 5. Okay, Boris was excited when his family moved from Russia to America. He would have to learn to speak English, but he had always been a good student. Boris was also excited because he had always been told that America was the land of baseball. Boris and his friends in Russia had organized 2 teams. Although they didn't have much equipment, they played baseball in the park on weekends in the spring and summer. Boris became the best hitter of them all. Boris liked his new home in the Brighton Beach section of Brooklyn, New York. Now that it was springtime, he thought more and more about baseball. He had seen his school baseball team, the Eagles, practicing. However, he didn't know how to get on the team. One afternoon, Boris stopped to watch the Eagles practicing. One of the boys said, "Coach, that's Boris Brodsky. He is in my class. He just moved here from Russia." The coach asked if there was something he could do for Boris. Boris said, "I like baseball. I must to play." He struggled for the right words. The coach said, "I'll give you a chance. Step up to the plate. Let's see what you can do." Boris could feel his heart beating fast. The ball came speeding toward him. Boris swung and missed. He backed away from the next 2 pitches. Then came the pitch that Boris had been hoping for. He blasted the ball way, way out beyond the far end of the field. The coach cried out, "Way to go, kid! I want you on the team." "Where did you learn to hit like that?" Boris smiled. "In Russia," he said. Okay, so once again, reread and answer questions 4 through 5. That is for the first part of your homework. Okay. Question 4. This is what you're answering. Question 4 and question 5. When Boris steps up to the plate, why does he feel his heart beating fast? And question number 5. How does Boris feel about the fact that he learned to play baseball in Russia? Okay, use details from the passage to support your answer. Okay, and write your response on another sheet of paper. And the next part of your homework, let me go ahead and erase this so I can show you properly. Okay. All right, here we go. Decide what place value the underlined digit is in. Use this place value mat for any help in choosing the correct place value. Okay, so this one is pretty awesome because it does give you a sentence frame. So this is what we are looking for when you are answering the question. Place value, okay, that keyword being place. Where does the digit live? Okay, so here we go. 6,990. Okay, 6 is your focus. If you would like, I'm gonna do numbers 1 and 2, and then you're gonna have to do the rest, 3 through 10. Okay, so I'm looking at the number 6, so that's the underlined digit. I need to identify where this 6 lives, okay, because it specifically says place. I know when I see place, that means where does the digit live? Okay, so if you already know your place values, then you could easily say, that's my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, if you're more comfortable, you could even write it out. I always tell my class to start with the last number. That is your ones. So I'm going to put a 0. Then I'm going to put a 9 in the tens, a 9 in the hundreds, and a 6 in the thousands. This is the underlined digit, so I'm going to write the digit 6 is in the place value thousands. That's where it lives. Okay? Number 2. And if you don't want this anymore, you don't need it, you could erase it. Number 2, I need to identify the digit. Oh, that's the digit right here. So that's a 1. Okay, so I can go ahead and use my strategy, and I'm going to put a 2, a 1, and an 8. Okay, I notice that that digit lives... Oops, I'm sorry, it's not that digit. Sorry, boys and girls. It is the 1. So that digit lives here. So I'm going to go ahead and write the digit 1 is in the place value tens. Okay? And that is it. So you're going to complete 3 through 10. And that is it. So that's going to be it for Thursday's homework. Okay? See you guys tomorrow.